Hello and welcome back to our channel, Bright Road to Success. So hopefully you've been watching our series on cursive writing. People always say, hey, how come teachers don't teach cursive writing anymore? Well, guess what? You can find cursive writing instruction on this particular YouTube channel, Bright Road to Success. So please subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and I am going to do a series of lessons with all of the letters written in cursive. I'm going to show you how to connect the letters and everything you need to know, okay? So again, please subscribe to the channel. So today on this lesson, we are on the letters B and the letter C. And today we're going to be using the down curve. We're also going to be using the over curve. And we're also going to use the slant. Now, if you don't know what those terms mean, please sure to check out the video in the description where it's an introduction to cursive writing and I explain all of those lines, okay? Also, I explain what this line means, which is upstairs, this line here, which is the first floor, and then this line, which is downstairs. And I just go into that a little more detail in the introductory YouTube video. All right, so let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to slant my paper. Because I'm right-handed, I'm going to slant it towards the left so that my letters can slant towards the right. Now, if I were left-handed, like my daughter, I would slant my paper towards the right and my letters would still slant towards the right. So here we go. I'm right-handed. So I'm slanting my paper towards the left, meaning I'm bringing the left side of the paper down a little bit. And let's start with the letter B. So here we have the letter B, and we're going to start right here, and we're going to start with the slant. And then we're going to do an over curve. So here we go. We're going to go down, back up, around, in, back out, in, and then over. Again, that's the capital letter B. So we're going to try it again. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So this marker is a little bit thick, but I think you can see how we actually make it. So again, I'm going to start here, and I'm going to come down for 1. That's a slant. Up and over and in. Back out, over, and back out again. Again, that is our letter B. Okay, and actually I don't even like the way I made that one, so let's try it again. Let's make it look a little more like that one. So we're going to come down, around, in, back out, and then over. See, that's a little better. All right, now we're going to make, this is the uppercase B, we're going to make the lowercase b. I'm going to start right here. I'm going to come up and around, down, in, and back out. Okay, so here, of course, we're starting with our under curve. So I'm going to go up, stairs, around, down, stairs, back up to the first floor almost, in, and back out. So this will be 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so that's your lowercase b. All right, so let's try to make that one more time. Here, I'm starting, and I'm doing a slant first. That's 1, 2, 3. Okay, very good. And I'm going to start to do it again. 1, 2, and 3. And once again, 1, 2, and 3. And then our lowercase, 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Alrighty, so that's sort of a challenging letter. Let's go to something a lot more easier. Next, we're going to do our letter C. And with our letter C, we're going to practice our down curve. So here we start, and we're going to start a little bit on this side of upstairs. So we're going to come up, around, down, and back up. And this is the capital letter C. Don't go all the way up to the first floor though. So again, we're going to start a little ways from upstairs, come around, down, and back up. Again, up, around, down, and back up. So that's your capital cursive letter C. And here we're going to do the same thing, but We're going to start a little bit down from the first floor, around and up, around and up, and around and up. Okay? Let's try the cursive letter C again. We're going to start a little bit in front of, or below, I'm sorry, upstairs. You go upstairs, down, around, and up, down, around, and up. And actually, this is just one. Okay, and now we're going to do cursive letter C. Again, don't forget, make sure your board is slanted. So here we have 1, 1, and 1. All right, so there you have it. I hope you've enjoyed making the letter B and the letter C. Please grab a piece of paper or a board that looks like manuscript paper. That's what we call this. And go ahead and practice your letters. Subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and I will see you next time where we will make the letters. Let's see. We've done A, B, and C. I wonder what's next. You got to tune in to find out.